Before you begin, you can find a calm, quiet space where you won't be disturbed for the time being. Then, you can find the perfect position for yourself. You can either sit or lie down, whichever feels more comfortable for you. Once you've settled into your preferred position, you can gently close your eyes. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold the breath in for just a moment, and then let out a deep exhale, breathing out through your mouth. Keep breathing deeply and consciously. Right now, you needn't do anything except relax and just be, as you are giving yourself the time and space to reflect and recollect. Feel how your muscles are beginning to release the tension, how they're beginning to loosen up. Notice how your mind is beginning to quiet down, how all the distractions are fading away from your awareness. Now, I'd like you to take some time to ponder what it means to be resilient. Resilience can be defined as the ability to handle stressful situations and adapt to them while remaining centered, calm, and connected with your inner strength and willpower. Stressful situations tend to cause emotional and physical distress, yet when you practice resilience, you are able to solve the challenging situations while remaining calm and unbothered, as you're looking at them as an opportunity to learn, grow, and evolve, trusting in your ability to transcend them. I'd like you to think of a time when you were able to remain strong and calm when faced with stress or a challenging situation. Connect with this strength. Remind yourself of the power you possess. Let it fuel the confidence in your ability to cope with challenges and adversity. Keep breathing deeply, focusing on your capacity to be resilient, connecting with your ability to be determined and committed, connecting with your ability to endure and persevere. Now, think of a situation that is urging you to be resilient, taking control of the direction of your thoughts and the way your body is reacting to them, so you are able to declutter the emotional turmoil and easily connect with your inner strength and willpower. Breathe in, fueling your ability to adapt. Breathe out, letting doubts and worries about the future dissolve. Making space for acceptance, possibility, ambition, and determination to strengthen you. Breathe, letting the breath energize your willpower. Inhale, drawing in this fresh new energy, letting it rejuvenate you. Exhale, letting go of all the stress leaving space for emotional tranquility and insight to enter. Now, as we reach the end of this session, I'd like you to come back to your breath once more. Take a few more deep breaths, coming back to your body, coming back to the space you're in. And when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes.